The Rack Shop is proud to present the Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 short bed. We've just installed the Leitner Designs ACS Forge bed rack system. A pretty awesome bed rack that can handle quite a bit of weight. So this is about 23 inches tall from the top of the bed cap up to the top of the bar. This is with your standard mounts. They do make risers to bring the bars up higher. But this is mostly a no-drill installation. The back pillars do require each on driver's side and passenger side 2 holes to be drilled, and then rib nuts are inserted for a super clean installation. So if you ever remove the rack, you're only left with a couple threaded points left behind. But quad channel load bars, 60 inches in length, that goes side to side, one in the front, one here in the back, with wing knobs that allow you to adjust the crossbar, the back bar, anywhere along the length of the top. So here you can see those drilled and installed points, so it's super clean. But back to that crossbar can be moved fully to the front, giving you complete access to the bed of the truck. So here we have it installed. Still works with the undercover swing case, just barely though. Here you can see that case. Pretty nice product. But the Leitner rack has a total weight carrying capacity of 1,400 pounds. That's your parked static weight, 800 pounds on-road dynamic weight, and 400 pound capacity off-road. So it does work with a lot of accessories, but not all accessories, so do make sure before you purchase that it's going to work with what you want to carry. But yeah, total rack weight is about 85 pounds, grade 10.9 hardware, so super strong and durable components, and very versatile. So quad channel bars not only on the crossbars but on the front and back rails, which allow you to add different accessories like Leitner's gear pods. They make single pod, dual pod, XL pod. They've got brackets for pretty much anything you may want to carry. Max tracks, fuel canisters like roto packs. They make light brackets and just tons of brackets. Seem like they're always growing their product line as well. So the hydro shower is a new item that works pretty well with this. But yeah, so this is just a quick look. So in addition to those 2 points on the back, there are clamps that clamp it to the bed rail, as you can see on the far side there, 3 on each side. But super strong, robust system. Can't recommend this enough. Perfect for rooftop tents and any kind of heavy load situation. So this is just a quick walk around the rack. For more pictures, details, pricing, availability, please click on the link in the description below. Now to take you back to our website where you can see all that good stuff. So again, that's it for this ZR2. But like always, thanks for watching.